How much does it cost to stay in a caravan park? Hi everyone, I'm Jaclyn from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and one of the questions that is often a topic of conversation in the workshop is the cost of staying in a caravan park. So costs do vary right around Australia, and different locations, different amenities provided, different services, peak tariffs for school holidays, Christmas, varying times of the year, all play into the cost of a caravan park's nightly fee, just like they do for staying in a hotel. Now, powered sites in a caravan park will generally be the most expensive site. You've got your own power source, usually they've got water directly hooked up as well. Now, these sites can be limited in some caravan parks. They might have a blend of unpowered and powered sites, but you do just get to drive on up, plug on in, and power up with the caravan park paying the electricity bill for you. So these sites typically around Australia will start anywhere from $50 a night up into a couple of $100 a night, again depending on who, where, what services, time of the year, etc. Unpowered sites in caravan parks are cheaper than powered sites, so you still get the benefit of the safety and the security of the caravan park and the amenities, facilities that are around, but you do need to be self-sufficient when it comes to your power, so either solar, battery or generator operated power for your needs. Additional fees at caravan parks. Now, some caravan parks do charge additional fees for extra people staying on the site, perhaps use of pool, laundry, dump points. These are all things that you are responsible to ask the caravan park before you book with them. Read their websites, give them a phone call, they'll let you know, but don't be shocked if there are additional fees because you haven't done your homework. But what is the cheapest option? If you want the cheapest option, free camping is cheapest because there will be $0 nightly fee. There are free camps available right across Australia, but don't sell yourself short here. You must be 100% self-sufficient. So while you're not paying for the electricity, water, lawn mowing, workers' comp, insurance, power bills, etc. of the caravan park that you're staying at for the night, you will need to spend quite a substantial amount of money making sure your caravan has complete battery storage, solar systems, charging systems, whatever it might be, to be 100% self-sufficient. So do your research which way is good for you. If you love that off-grid setup and you've got that on your caravan, free camping is going to save you money. But if you don't want to invest that money into your caravan, you may be better off paying the nightly fees at caravan parks and have the services that they provide. Thanks everyone. As I said, it's Jaclyn from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, always here to help. Please like and subscribe to follow along for more. Thanks guys.